A concrete pump is a machine used for transferring liquid concrete by pumping it to a specific location. It is commonly used in construction projects such as buildings, bridges, and other large-scale structures where concrete needs to be efficiently and effectively transported. There are several types of concrete pumps, including 1. Boom pump. A boom pump features a large, articulated arm, or boom, that can reach high and distant areas. It is ideal for large construction projects like high-rise buildings and bridges where the concrete needs to be delivered at height or over obstacles. 2. Line pump. A line pump uses a series of connected pipes or hoses to transport concrete. This type of pump is typically used for smaller construction projects such as residential buildings or sidewalks, where the concrete does not need to be pumped over long distances or to great heights. 3. Truck-mounted pump. A truck-mounted pump is mounted on a truck chassis, making it easy to transport to different locations. It can feature either a boom or line pump system. This type of pump is versatile and commonly used in a variety of construction projects. 4. Static pump. A static pump, also known as a stationary pump, is placed at a fixed location and uses pipelines to deliver the concrete. It is commonly used for large-scale, long-term projects where the pump remains in place for the duration of the construction. 5. Specialty pump. Specialty pumps are designed for specific construction needs, such as underground constructions or projects with restricted access areas. These pumps are customized to handle unique challenges and deliver concrete where standard pumps cannot reach. Concrete pumps help streamline the construction process by efficiently delivering concrete to the required locations, reducing manual labor and increasing project speed and accuracy. They ensure that concrete is placed precisely where needed, which is crucial for the integrity and strength of the structure.